know, there's just something about an old steam train. I mean, what's the first building you think of when you think of the Magic Kingdom in the first place? Okay, after that one. Right, it's the train station. They decorate it for every holidays. It's famous day and night. So I went over there and I discovered stairways, and lots of them. Even over on the side there were stairways, but there was a sign telling me I needed to go to package pickup. But over by package pickup there was a ramp that would take me upstairs. A long ramp. And for manual wheelchair users, I can't stress this enough. It's a long ramp. I can only assume this outside ramp was to replace the inside ramp, which is definitely not ADA compliant. At the top is where you will actually board the train itself. This is the ECV parking area and where transfers will board the train. And through the magic of video, our train's arriving right now, so let's go ahead and board. Since I had come down to check out the train station lobby, we have to go back up to the wheelchair loading platform.
Over this way? Alright.
Once on board, you back your chair into position, and the conductor will lock the ramp up into the side of the train. Placing the chain across, he'll then close the outside gates, and you'll be ready to go.
Aboard!
Welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're about to take a grand circle tour of the Magic Kingdom, with stops along the way at Frontierland and Fantasyland. Sit tight and keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs well inside the train. We're leaving Main Street Station right now, so wave it goodbye. But if you stay on board long enough, why, sooner or later, you'll be back. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. For an old conductor like you, there's no better place to ride the rails than the Magic Kingdom. By the way, we're traveling on pure steam power. This old locomotive is descended from the mighty trains that powered the golden age of steam. And just like me, it's a little old-fashioned. Now, where else can you travel from the charm of Main Street, USA, to the untamed jungles of Africa, Asia, and South America? At the Magic Kingdom, anything is possible, and we're headed straight to the heart of Adventureland. It can get pretty wild in these parts, especially if you run into Captain Eric Sparrow. He's hiding out among those fearless pirates of the Caribbean. But Whether you're boarding a boat for the Jungle Cruise or flying on Aladdin's magic carpets, when you visit Adventureland, bring an extra dose of bravery. As for me, I'll stay safe and sound right here aboard my train, if you don't mind. Covered wagons, cowpokes, and country bears. And you got to Splash Mountain and join Rare Rabbit for a 50-foot drop straight down into the briar patch. Until we come to a complete stop. If you disembark here,
Alrighty, folks, as we approach Frontierland Station, please remain seated until we make that full and complete stop and you hear those magic words of all clear. Again, folks, please remain seated until you hear those magic.
All right. Perfect. Thank you very much. That was quite loud. Thanks.
You've been cleared for forward movement, folks, so sit back and relax. We are all aboard.
howdy folks. If you're just joining us, welcome aboard the Walt Disney World Railroad. We're headed for Fantasyland and to Main Street, USA. Everybody stay seated. Keep your hands and arms, feet and legs safely inside the train. And as always, keep an eye on your little ones. Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del tren y cuide a los pequeños. Gracias. settlers started heading west. Nowadays, the rails can carry us safely through the wild, and a trip that used to take months can now be made in just a few weeks. There's plenty of deer, antelope, and elk feed along the banks of the river. And naturally, plenty of early settlers decided to put down stakes and live here too. Of course, those early settlers weren't the first to make their home in this wild frontier. These native tribes of for centuries before we ever came along. They were the first to take the wild horses of the American plains, long before our big old iron horses started chugging through these parts. Almost out of the woods, folks. We're coming up on the most magical land, Fantasyland, a place where any dream can come true. Fly over London to Peter Pan, set sail on It's a Small World, take a trip under the sea to the Little Mermaid, be our guest at an enchanted feast in the Beast's castle, or journey into the Seven Dwarfs' mine, where 1,000,000 diamonds shine. Whether you're a pixie, a princess, or just an everyday dreamer, always something special about Fantasyland.
Folks, as a friendly reminder, please keep those light band feet inside the train. Thank you. Alrighty, folks, as we approach Fantasyland Station, please remain seated until we make that full and complete stop and you hear those magic words of all clear. Again, folks, please remain seated until you hear those magic words. Remain seated, folks, we're almost there. Next leg of our journey will be headed to Main Street, USA.
Thank you.
10, carefully step off the train. If you have strollers to unfold, please take them all the way beyond the platform so we can see board passengers who get ready for our journey. This is Main Street Station. Main Street,
Alrighty, folks, as we approach Main Street Station, please remain seated until we make a full and complete stop and you hear those magic words of all clear. Yes, folks, please remain seated until you hear those magic words.
Once you get back to the station, you got a couple of options. If you're a train enthusiast, you should definitely stop in at the station, check out the lobby. It's based on a turn-of-the-century train station, and there's cool things to see on both levels, upper and lower. And speaking of the lower level, this is the wheelchair ramp to take you down. I believe it may have been the regular wheelchair ramp to take you up before ADA, but it's definitely not compliant now. Manual wheelchair users hang on for dear life, but there is this concrete wall to stop you at the first level. Once you get down to the lower level, there's some pretty cool stuff to see down in the lobby down here too. And who knows, maybe next time you think of the Magic Kingdom buildings, you'll think of Cinderella's Castle and the train station, as Bob sees it. Emmy's got a bone to pick with you. Have you liked, commented, and subscribed?